and tap that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram for even more inspiration, behind the scenes peeks, and crafty conversations. I invite you to visit my website to see a variety of available cards and check out my blog. It features more video content of my card tutorials. If you're in Central Ohio, be sure to stop by Ohio Art Market in Westerville, where you'll find my cards alongside the best handmade goods Ohio has to offer. Thanks for stopping by. Now let's make something beautiful together.